Welcome to the family cuisine.
রকমারি রান্না বান্না।
Hello everyone, we are back again today with another healthy recipe for our health conscious viewers. We are going to prepare today a healthy baked fish for you all. So let's have a look into it, what all ingredients we need to prepare this outstanding healthy recipe.
To prepare baked fish, obviously we need a fish. So here it is, 450 grams of sea bass. We need to clean it before we use it. After cleaning, fish looks like this. It's not necessarily that you have to take sea bass. It's completely your choice which kind of fish you would like to take, or the fish is accessible to you, you can take that. Pretty much all the fish will taste nice while you bake them. And to go along with the fish, we kept ready some vegetables. Here we have broccoli, cauliflower, rings of green capsicum, red capsicum, and orange capsicum. Here we have sweet potatoes, cherry tomatoes, shredded cabbage, sliced mushroom, carrot sticks, and some sweet pumpkins. We are going to make a bed with this, and then we are going to place the fish on top of it. It will be easier for us to turn the fish around compared to keeping it in an empty tray. It's not necessarily that you have to keep all the vegetables. It's completely up to you what kind of vegetables you prefer. Here we have chili flakes, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, tomato sauce. By now I'm sure you know how do we prepare our tomato sauce and ginger garlic paste. And if you're new to our channel, you can hit the link below at the description box. We already have uploaded the video earlier. We got a couple of lemon wedges. In this pistol we have got coriander leaves and dill been smashed. I kept it ready earlier. And we have got some olive oil. If you are not familiar with what dill is, let me show you what it is. These fine thin leaves, you can see they are really aromatic. Let's do the marination first. Here we had the smashed coriander and dill leaves. We will put it in this bowl. I'm adding almost 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, but it's absolutely up to you how much you want to add. If you want spicy, you can add more. If you don't want spicy, you can add less, or absolutely you can skip it. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. That's spicy, just be careful. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Around almost 1 teaspoon salt, maybe a little less. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. You can add lemon juice now or later on straight over the fish. We'll add some olive oil in it, around 4 to 5 tablespoons. We'll give a quick mix. We got a nice mixture of our marination. We will rub it over the fish, and the leftover we will put it inside the stomach of the fish. In this bowl I'll be adding the vegetables. All the cabbage, mushrooms. Now to make it tasty, I'm gonna add some chili flakes. It's completely optional depending on you. Some salt, olive oil, and squeeze a bit of lemon. Giving a quick mix with a spoon. Base of the bed should be alright. That's it. I'll just spread it equally around the tray. I already put aluminum foil on the tray, you know why it is. We already told earlier, it will be easier for me to clean the tray. Same way I'm adding rest of the vegetables. Here again I'm adding rest of the chili flakes. I will not add any more salt now because we already add salt in the cabbage and the mushroom. Again some squeezed lemon. Olive oil of course. And we'll give it again quick mix. Wow, looks so colorful, isn't it? Yeah, once you see the food looks so nice and decorative, you feel like to eat more. This is how we eat to our eyes as well. Now nicely we will place them up. That's it, we are done. Our bed is ready. We are gonna lay the fish flat right on top of the bed. Here we go. Wow, looks awesome, isn't it? Whatever is left over, all the marination, I'll put it on top. Now our preparation is ready to go in the oven. Friends, our fish is ready to go into the oven. We already preheat the oven approximately 200 degrees Celsius. So let's put the oven on. Let's grab the fish. Oven is really hot. Look at the temperature in the oven is almost 200 degrees. It will reduce because our door is open. We will cook fish for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. It's been around 15 minutes. Let's turn the fish other side. Oh, it's really hot. I'll take it out. Look at this. You'll have to turn it very carefully. And goes back to the oven again for another 10 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Let's take out the fish. I'm sure it's done. Oh yeah. Wow, look at this. Awesome. Let me give a quick check. See? It's done. So we are gonna put it in a serving plate and we are going to show it to you. Here we put the fish on the plate with the baked vegetables around it, and to go something nice on top of it, we are going to add the tomato sauce. So here's the tomato sauce. We'll just spread it over. Wow, mouth-watering, isn't it? Look at this. So that's all about baked fish. I'm sure you loved it.
Thanks to my all viewers for watching this whole video by taking your precious time. I'm sure you like the way we made the baked fish at home, a very healthy preparation. You can try it at home, enjoy with your friends and family. Please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification. We will come back another Wednesday or Saturday with another fantastic recipe for all of you. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Bye for now.